Did you know that the planet Saturn sends out strange signals into space? Scientists have discovered that Saturn releases radio waves traveling through space. These signals cannot be heard directly, but when converted using special instruments they sound like a mysterious voice. It feels as if space itself is speaking. Just think for a moment, how many secrets are still hidden in this universe? The Quran reminds us, indeed, everything in the heavens and the earth glorifies Him. This teaches us that the whole universe/follows its creator. Like this video and subscribe for more amazing secrets of the universe.